Hi, Jamie Richmond here from AB Building Products. Come to talk to you today from the warehouse about our product Izotup Insulation Spray Foam Kits. So we'll start with the Izotup 200 kit, so sold as a complete kit only. I'm going to do a quick unboxing for you. So what you'll have inside is, first off, you have your PPE, which is coveralls, safety glasses, and then inside is a mixture of nozzles. They do look the same, but they're actually slightly different. You can tell by the tip on the end. So this is your cone shape, nice and round, gives you a bead-like spray, 2 to 3 inches wide. And then you have the fan spray. It's got a little notch taken out the tip, so that gives you a fan spray, a wider spray pattern of around about 300mm, 12 inches per pass. And then you've got already pre-attached for you the hoses attached to each of the cylinders, tanks, little carry handle. Take the gun out now and the hoses.
So it comes pre-attached with everything?
Comes pre-attached for you already. The tanks are pre-pressurized as well, so they're ready to go. So you take your hoses out, turn the taps on. You should see chemicals flow down to the end. And then to get started, you'd get a waste bag or cardboard box, spray the foam, get the lines coming out. You should see two equal strong jets of foam coming out the face of the gun. Then what you've got is you've got your petroleum jelly, which you put on the face of the gun. That stops the nozzle sticking to the face of the gun. Get your nozzle. Should click in. And before you actually start foaming and spraying anywhere, again, you still want to spray into your cardboard box or plastic bag, just to check, make sure that the foam is coming out correctly, evenly, and you've got the right colour, and it's starting to set and cure as it should do.
And how long does this one take to set?
So this will be tack free in around about 30 seconds, and fully set and cured within 2 to 5 minutes, depending on thickness sprayed and temperatures. With the 600 size model, because of the weight and size of each tank, they need to go in separate boxes. So you've got your 200 model, 600 model, 600 3 times the size of the 200, but not 3 times the price. We also have here the injection slow rise formula, which is best used for injection into cavities, tight spaces. That could be cavity walls, it could be a hull in a boat, could be pipes, tubes, anywhere you want the foam to expand slower. So that's our injection formula. So temperature requirements are important, and the chemical temperature needs to be between 22 and 30 degrees C, and the surface temperature ideally needs to be above 16 degrees C, and the ambient air temperature the same. So you can use this in colder days and colder conditions, but it's more important that the liquid chemical temperature is at the correct temperature. If the surface temperature is below 16 degrees, first you need to spray a small dusting the fan nozzle, because it covers a wider surface area. Thin coat first and then spray over the top of that. So if you're at home and you've got access to a bath, fill your bath up with hot water, similar to what you probably get in, or maybe a little bit hotter. Take the 2 tanks out the cardboard box or boxes, let them sit in the bath for 5 to 10 minutes. That should warm them all the way through. Take them out. After a couple of minutes, the metal of the tank should feel warm and not cold. If you don't have access to a bath with hot water, you could use buckets or something similar. Or
you said an airing cupboard as well?
Airing cupboard, if you've got space. If you've got space in an airing cupboard, yes. Or particular warmest room that you've got. More critical in colder months of the year. Yes, the product will work. It's just at the right temperatures. Not only will you get a better quality of foam, but also you'll get more yield and therefore more coverage.